All right, welcome back to another trade recap. And as you can see, up $614. And it is currently, oops, recording. It is currently 3:33 a.m. for me. Something evil's about to happen. But that's just because I was trading London session and I took a pretty big win. And sorry, I'm talking quiet. It's ASMR pretty much, but I just don't want to wake up the fam. But I took a pretty big win. So this was one trade. Um, and this trade should have been a winner too, but I'll get into that soon. This was one trade. So on Monday, I went 0 for 3 on the day and lost $500. And this Asia session, I went 1 for 1 and made $600. So, I mean, that's pretty good. So all of my losses just completely wiped. I'm pretty sure this account is at a new all-time high for yeah. So when the day done, that'll catch up. So it is at a new all-time high. Yeah, let me load up. I guess I didn't really use silver, but let me load up the gold trade that I took. Um, which should have been a winner, to be honest with you. But this is what trade I took. It should have been a 1 to 2 hour winner, but it didn't let me place an order. All right, so on gold, I like the trade. I'll go over why I like the trade. Oh, I think I closed out of everything. I'm stupid. Okay, so man, when was it? I'm just gonna break it down in here. So, as you can see on the 15-minute, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. I mean, we're starting to build bullish structure on the 15-minute, and we are looking like if you go to the higher time frames, like we're starting to look bullish, right? I mean, obviously, and then we're starting to build, pretty good bullish structure. So I saw this gap right here that I liked, tapped into it, and then this candle started to create a range with that candle. So when I saw that, go down to the 1 minute. Asia session isn't quite happening. It's about to happen, but I mean, it's got a 2 candle boom boom CASD right there, left behind a gap. Entered at the gap, actually got a really good fill at 56.3. Boom, just take off, right? Like great trade. Um, and this is the CRT high, 1 to 2 hour. Boom, take it off. Good trade done. But it only let me trade one contract for some reason. Are we moving much? So let me try to sell two real quick. See, max margin violation if I sell two for some reason. I don't know why. But then if, let's say I buy one, boom, you can buy one, but you can't sell two. I just lost $4, darn it. Whatever. So it's weird. I don't know why I can't buy more than one. Like, I don't know. See, I don't know why I can't buy more than one micro gold contract. So I could only risk $50 on the trade. Um, yeah, I could only risk $50 on the trade, and I mean, if I'm risking $50, 1 to 2 hour, that's only $100. I mean, the trade got all the way up to pretty much a 3 hour, and so I just literally went for like the external high because it'd be the only thing that'd be worth it. Um, so it ended up going all the way up, stopping me out. And I mean, this don't even look at this. This was just a rage trade. I don't even want to. I mean, yeah, let's just delete that. I don't. That's terrible. I just closed it right away. But it would have hit, obviously, if I didn't have my break even, which I'm not mad about it not hitting. So that's the gold trade. Yeah, that's the gold trade. And then let's go. So, I mean, that ended up in break even, and yeah, that ended up being break even, which is fine. So no harm done there. Within the trade I just took, and the trade that made me a good amount of money. Q. What is that? I don't know. let's just, I don't know why that was there. It was this trade. So let's go to it. View note. This is probably one of my favorite trades. Starting with top dominated daily range. Blah blah blah. CRT low. All right. So go to the daily. Last daily close on. And I didn't even look at YM. Whatever. Let's see if YM had something to look at. I honestly forgot YM even existed. But pretty much the basis behind the trade was this daily candle closed within the range. Yesterday's daily candle closed within the range. So this daily candle creating a range, promoting sells, I guess you could say. Let's see YM's daily, because I didn't even bother to look at it, to be honest with you. If there's an SMT there, that's just beautiful. That's just A plus 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 plus, and I didn't even know it. That's probably why it works so well. No, so YM also had a range. Yeah. And you go down to the 4 hour. Look at this. This 4 hour closes below both of these wicks. It's a little iffy. Like it's kind of like pretty on the border. ES is a lot more clear, so I counted it as a 4 hour range. This being the CRT low. Go down to the 1 hour. We barely swept this out and we were starting to form another range. So then I go down to the 5 minute. And right here, beautiful 1-2 two candle CISD. It also inverted a gap, which is a bonus. Created a gap, which I like, so I entered on the gap tap. As you can see right here, entered when we tapped the gap. That was my fill. I entered in 3 and then 1, so I entered in 5 total, just because that was a good risk. And my TP1, my break even was the 1 hour CRT low. As you see there, that was my break even. TP1 was the 4 hour CRT low right there. I scaled, as you can see, I guess all of them came on this 5 minute candle, which is crazy. So I scaled 4. Here you see I scaled these 4 when we hit this right here, and I left 1 runner for the NWOG, which we're currently bouncing off of, which is also in a discount of this. So I think we will go either up from here or we'll go down to this daily range low. But all in all, I guess I just lost like $4. But all in all, it was a great trade that brought me all the way back in profit. These are my real stats, 55, 75. They're a little bit skewed to these just because I didn't put in every single trade. Yeah. So how much money did I just lose? I just lost 424. Tragic. So yeah, honestly, my best trade on this account by far since I started it, because I started it in December. Didn't really trade much. That was a good trade. I like that one a lot. Obviously, this makes me so mad. Is because yesterday, I didn't even trade the AM yesterday. So this was from Asia, which I like this trade. This trade was fine, and it ended up delivering. So like this was a good learning trade. But yesterday was a little bit choppy. I don't think I would have taken a trade yesterday's AM session. But Monday should have just been a winner, and then like literally like it should have been, let's call it a 300. Let's say this would have been the winner. We would have been 6, so it'd be like, I mean, we honestly might be ready for a payout if I just locked in on Monday. But I mean, payout, it'd just be like a pity payout because I want to get my first one. Because I'd be at probably like 51K, and then I don't know. But yeah, I mean, Monday really killed us, but we're back in profit. I'll probably be on the charts. What time is it for me? It is 3:40. And news NFP comes out at 8:30, which is 6:30, so I got a little bit. I'll probably be on the charts for a little bit this morning. Probably won't take anything, and then I'm probably, honestly, unless something crazy appears, because I don't really want to sell these profits. But yeah, that's it for today. Yeah, I think that's it for today. Really good trade before it's literally it's 3:42 for me in the morning, and I'm already up this much money. So like, in the future, this could be a lot more. We'll see. But that's it for today. and I will be back either later today or tomorrow for another trade.